This is for a 2004 to a 2008 Acura TL, and I'm going to show you how to change out the interior light bulbs. Now with your right thumb right here in your plastic pry tool, you want to put it right here, like slight in the middle. Gently push it up, and it just, there you go, pop loose. Now with the replacement LED bulb, you want to put it in this way. All right, that's in. Now we're gonna press this button and make sure that it lights up. All right, that looks good. Now to put the plastic cover back on, you want to make sure these two clips line up right here. Once that goes in, and then you can slide the front in, and then just push it back in place. Now we're good to go, and now let's test it out. Look at that, super bright. I'm gonna show you how to change out the Vanity light bulbs. So pry tool again. You're gonna pry it right here. Once that's in, push it in. It should come loose, just like that. Now we're gonna grab the LED bulb. We're gonna put it in this way. Now double check if it works. That lights up. Now we're gonna slide everything back in. Now let's double check. Right, that looks good. Now for the front door panel, you're gonna grab your pry tool. You're gonna pry it right here, and then you're gonna pry it right here, and then it should pop loose. Now I already changed it, and I upgraded it to the one with the Acura logo, and this is how it looks like. Okay, for the back of the car, we're gonna put our fingers right here, and we're gonna take our plastic pry tool, and we're gonna place it right in the middle and gently push it up, and that came loose. Now with our LED bulb, we're gonna put it in this way, like that. We're gonna hit this button, make sure it lights up. Perfect. Now let's put everything back. Now you want to make sure there's one clip lines up here. Okay, that's lined up. Now we can push everything back in. Now let's double check. That looks good. Okay, let's double check the final products. So we're gonna pull everything down. Let's test out the vanity light. All right, that lights up. Passenger side. Yeah, that lights up. Let's test out the overhead dome light. Let's check the back. That lights up. That lights up. All right, everything looks good. And that's how you change out your interior light bulbs and your vanity light bulbs. All right, thanks for watching.